Hi guys and gals, lesson 28, solving percent problems, and we're looking at page 307 in your math workbook. The first classwork example says if an item is discounted 20%, the sale price is what percent of the original price? That seems a little bit confusing, doesn't it? Well, let's write that out. They just said if an item is 20%, let's go. Let me get my pen going. Okay. So if we have an item is discounted. So we have something that was 100% price, right? The original price is 100%, and we're going to take away 20. 20% is the savings. So now the price that we're paying is 80% of the original price. It says the sale price, now the price is the 80% of what the original price is. If we're discounted by 20%, we're going to be paying 80% of the original price. Okay, if the original price of the item is $400, what is the dollar amount of the discount? Like, how much are we saving? So let's go, if we had 20%, and we're going to rewrite it as 20 over 100, and then that equals, if I divide top and bottom by 10, I get 2/10. Okay, now I'm going to take that, the original price is 400, so I'm going to take the 400 and I'm going to multiply that by 2/10, and that's going to give me 800 over 10. Well, then I divide top and bottom by 10 and I get $80. That's the amount that is going to be taken off of that 400. So I'm getting an $80 discount. I should write that right next to it. Okay, discount. And then it says how much is the sale price. So let's go to that. 80% is equal to 80 over 100. And that equals, if I divide top and bottom by 10, I get 8/10. Okay. Then I'm going to take that original 400, I'm writing kind of low, that 400, and I'm going to multiply that by that 8/10 that we just pulled, 8/10. Okay, and then I'm going to put that over 1. Now, 8 times 4 I know is 32. Then I'm going to throw those two zeros on. Boom, boom, right? And then underneath that, it's 1 times 10. I'm going to put my 10 under there. Now I'm going to divide top and bottom by 10, which means I'm looking at $320. And really, we could have gone back to that 400 minus 80 and we'd have 320. So we could do that too, right? You could go, the original price is 400, you take away 80, you're going to end up with 320 as the sale price. Still sounds like a lot of money. Okay, so we've got that problem taken care of. Let's go see what the next has on it. So this is on 308. It says the following items were bought on sale. Complete the missing information in the table. So if we know that the sale price is 800, what is the original price? Let's see. And then what is the discount and what are they paying? I would say set the timer for 20 minutes and work on this, because I don't know if you can complete the whole thing. But anyway, so if the sale price, I'm going to do some work down here. If the 20%, 20 over 100, and then the sale price is 800, and I want to know what the original price is. So 20 times what is 800? If I go 4, that's going to be 80, right? So what about another 0? So times that by 40. So 20 times 40 is going to give me 800, and then this would be I wonder if I should reduce that first. I think I should. If I have 20 over 100, that's going to be 2/10, which is 1/5. And then I'm looking at the sale price of 800, and then this is an unknown. So what is 800 times 500? And that's 40. I'm getting, that sounds like a lot, doesn't it? 4,000. I think that sounds like, I know that if the percent saved is 20, then I know the percent that I paid is 80%. So maybe I'm using the wrong percent. Let me look over here. If I am saving 25%, I know that I'm paying 75%. If I am paying 90%, I know that I'm saving 10%, so that's not very much. If I saved 40%, that means I paid. So see how these are all equivalent when I add them up to 100%. 80%, this is going to be 20. And here, I don't know right now when I'm looking at the work. Let me go back to my eraser here and clear this out. That's not very big. Because I think I need to go back and rework this. So if I go to percent paid, so the sale price was 800, and I don't know what the original price is, but the percent that we paid is 80%, so 80% over 100. So that means that so from 80 to 800, I multiply by 10. From 100 times 10 is going to be 1,000. That sounds a bit more like it. So my original price is 1,000. My sale price is 800. So then what is the discount of those? That's only $200 discount, but that's quite a bit. Okay, then let's look at the other one, the sneakers. So if I've got 75% is what I paid. Oh, it's telling me that the original price was 80. Okay, so let's go. 75 over 100 is the percent. And then I know that the original price was 80, and then I want to figure out what did we really pay. So let me work on the 75 over 100. If I divide that by 5, I get, see, 5 goes 1, and then 15, and then that's a 20. Can I divide that again? 15 divide by 5, divide by 5, and I get 3, and I get 4, 3/4. So now I'm going to put that 3/4 here, and I'm going to go 4 times what gives me 80. I'm going to say times 20. So I'm going to do a times 20 there, and I get 60. So this one is a 60. And then, so the original and the sale price is 60. So what is my savings here? It was $20. Okay, I'm going to go back and erase some of my stuff here, just because I don't have very much room. I know in your page, in your math journal, you've got more room. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so now we've got the sale price of 54, amount of the discount. Okay, I know that 90%, 90 over 100, and then I've got the sale price is 54, but I need to know the original price. So this one I'm going to divide by 10. I have 9/10. Can I divide that anymore? I don't think so. So this is times 6. So this is times 6, and I get 60. That's over here. So what is my savings? 60 and minus 54 is a difference of $6. Okay, now let's go to the MP3. And I know we said, how about you just do like three or four rows? Let's go to the percent paid was 60 over 100. And then I'm looking at this 5160 is the sale price, and I don't know what the original one was, but I'm going to divide this by 10, so I get 6/10. Then I'm going to divide by 2. I get 3/5. So 3/5, let's see what I can do. 51, I'm going to erase this part here too, so I've got room to write. Okay. It's not a very big eraser. Okay. So 3/5. Oh, I know what I was going to do. I was going to go 50. Oops. I'm going to go 5160 divided by 3. So there's 1, 3, 21 is 7. 21. Bring the 6 down. Make sure I do the decimal. That's 17. So if 17, 20, 3 times, okay, so this is times 1720. So what is 1720 times 5? 0, 10, there's 35, 6, 3, that's $86 if I did my math right. So the original price is this. The sale price is $51.60. So if I have 86, but I want to take away 80 or $51.60, then what do I get? I get 6, 5. It's a 4, 4, 0, 3. So now this one is going to be 34.40 is the amount that you're saving. Okay, let's do one more. The book. Okay, price we paid. Oh, we don't know sale price or the original price, but we know the discount's $280. Wow. And the percent saved is 20%. Let me get my eraser again and clear that up. Okay. I'm trying to think about how we're going to do this problem. So it said if the percent paid, the amount of the discount is $280. So I'm almost saying, well, $280, but I don't know the sale price. I almost want to multiply it. So $280, but I don't know what that is. And then I've got the percent saved is 20. So do I go 20 over 100? Then that's 2/10, which is 1/5. And so 280 times 5, 4, that's $14. So the original price is $14, but I just got discounted $280. So 0, 3, 1, 2, 1. So the sale price is $11.20. That's not that much. And then on this one, we've got, so again, I need to erase. We're going in and we are, our sale price is $170 and the amount of the discount is 30 cents. So that means that the total price, I'm going to add those two and I get $2. So if the sale price is $170 and the original price is $2, so what kind of percent is that? So if I have 170 and I divide by 2, bump that over 2, bump that over 2, so I get the decimal out. 200, well, that doesn't work. 0, but how about if I have another 0 here? 8, right? And that would be 16. And then that's that. Let's do another 0, and then I would go 5. So because of this decimal, it's 85 hundredths. So what that equals is 85%. Because to get percent, I bump it over 2 places, like the 2 digits in 100. So if it's 85% I paid, then that means 85, 95, 100%. That's the amount that was saved. That's really tricky. That whole thing was tricky. Okay, so really good job. And then the last thing is for us to do the problem set. So well done.